Hi, in this video we'll learn how to add fractions. In order to add fractions, we need to have common denominator. What's the bottom number here? We have a 5 here and then we have a 3 here. So these are unlike denominators, they're not same, so we cannot add them. First of all, we're going to make the denominators equal. Okay, so let's do that. Well, in order to make the denominator equal, we multiply each fraction with the other fraction's denominator. So I'm going to multiply 1 over 5, that's my first fraction. I'm going to multiply that with the second fraction's denominator. So the second fraction denominator is 3, right? So I'm going to multiply this by 3, okay? And then the same thing I'm going to do on the for the second fraction. I'm going to multiply this fraction with the other fraction denominator. What's the other fraction denominator? It's 5. So I'm going to multiply this by 5 over 5. And here, 3 over 3. So why did I multiply by 3 over 3 and 5 over 5? Because we want to keep our fraction balanced. We don't want to change the value of it. See, 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So you multiply 1 by 1/5, you still get a 1/5. So you're not changing the value of the fraction. That's what we have to keep in mind. Okay? So in order to make the denominators equal, we need to multiply each fraction with the other fraction denominator. Now let's go ahead and add the multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Here 2 times 5 is 10 and 3 times 5 is 15. Now you can see that we have common denominators. We can go ahead and add the numerators now. So 3 plus 10 is 13. We never add the denominator. So the denominator is going to stay 15. Okay, so our final answer is going to be 13 over 15. That's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful.